Good morning, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about how to dehydrate fruit. First step, wash the fruit. Second step, cut it in thin slices. Third step, put the fruit in microwave safely. Fourth step, put them in microwave 3 minutes. Now turn the fruit over. Put them in for another 3 minutes. Let it cool, ready to eat.